Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to clear or reset all host names using hostnamectl command in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. First, I will open the terminal. I am logging as a root user, so only root user having the permission to change the hostname. So type the command hostnamectl. You can see static hostname is already set, pretty hostname also is already set. So now I am going to reset or clear these two host names by executing the below command hostnamectl set -hostname empty string -- pretty. So this will clear the pretty host name. You can see that pretty host name is vanished. So this is the syntax for clearing the pretty host name. So I am going to settings. See here, the pretty host name is vanished and it is displaying the static host name. Okay, you can also reset or clear the static host name, but it will be dangerous and it's not a recommended one. That is, when your computer is on network, don't reset or clear the static host name. See here what happened. So everything is cleared and you can see this hostname file, that /etc hostname file also got deleted. So when your computer in network, don't clear or reset the host names. If you cleared means try to put back. Okay, I am restarting the services for just for a formality. Next I am opening terminal once again. So I am going to set the host name back. So reboot also does not work. If you reboot the machine also, it will show that no file or directory, that is hostname file, will not be restored even after reboot. Okay, so I am putting back the hostname. While clearing the pretty host name, it will not be a major problem. So if you clear the static host name only, it will be the major problem. Yes, so I have put back the host name. So and also you can see that host name file also created newly. So this host name file is created newly after setting the new static host name using hostnamectl command. So I am restarting the systemd and hostnamd services, which is optional. Okay, so this is the way we need to clear the host name using hostnamectl command. Make sure that your computer is not in network or your computer is isolated.